So in this video, you are going to see how to use the FlexiProof feature. This is how the notifications are going to come for your leads, for your sales. Okay, so all the notifications will come, and even for the visitors. And this is a testimonial that came recently of a customer who started using the FlexiProof feature. And he said that his conversion rate on his sales page went up from 4% to 5% after using this feature. So this is a very, very powerful feature, works on the customer psychology, and helps them show that other people are also taking action, purchasing, signing up. So gives them the confidence that they can also sign up. So inside your FlexiFunnels account, you will click on FlexiProof. Now, inside your the FlexiProof account, okay, you will set up a new campaign. Okay, create a new campaign. Let me open a new tab. As well as on this page, I'm going to open a previous campaign of ours that we already have in our account. Okay, so now it is up to you whether what kind of campaign that you want to create. For example, let me create a test campaign. And do you want to have alerts for sales, for leads, for visitors? For example, if I select for leads, okay. Now, if you will see on this page, we have already selected. This is our existing campaign. Now you are going to select the pages from where the data should come. So the source from where people are signing up. So let's suppose if you have multiple pages, let's say 3-4 pages. So you can select multiple pages over here from where people are signing up, and all those pages can be selected over here. So as you can see, we have selected a few pages over here, right? Then you will click on next. Then you can select the alert, that which particular design you like, you can select that. Then you can uh, choose the content that you want to appear over here. For example, all these personalization tags are available. So if I will just cut, let's say I want customer name over here, right? So for example, Saurabh. Then I want state, let's say the state to appear over here. Then I want probably country, for example, the country to appear over here. So all these things will come over here. I will just, and you can put a comma, of course, right? Then you can put a message, for example, just now signed up for, and then you can put the name of your workshop, or maybe just now booked a call, or maybe just now, let's say, signed up for the webinar, or maybe just now purchased your product, right? Then if you want to, let's say, change the design, for example, you want to make the alert message bold, you can do that. Maybe you want to make it italic, you can do that. You want to make it underlined, you can do that. Same is the case with above, right? Or maybe if you want to change the color, for example, you want to make it red, you can do that. So whatever color you want to do. Then for this alert message, if you want to use any image, or maybe you can use our existing images, right? For example, we have put some existing library, so you can use these. Or let's suppose something like this is great. Or you can put your own custom image like we have added over here, right? Now highlighting color, probably if you want to change it, for example, let's suppose you want to make it blue or red or anything, right? Or you just want to remove it, or maybe this background color if you want to change that, right? So you can play around with the colors of the text, play around with the colors of the notification. Then you click on next. Then this is how the leads will the alert will appear. For example, you can select the uh, let's say what kind of animation it should come with. So you can play around with this, select what you like. And if you want to hide the time, let's say 2 minutes ago and all, so you can do that. If you want to add some social media links as well, let's suppose you want to add some link, so you can do that. But I don't prefer, I mean, from my registration page or my sales page, I don't want to send traffic to my social media, of course, right? Then you will click on save. Once saved, then you will be selecting the page on which these notifications should be coming. So you will select the project. Now inside the project, you can select the multiple pages on which you want the alerts to appear, right? So you can select that. Then select where you want the notifications to come, maybe bottom left, bottom right, something like that. Do you want the visitors to be redirected to some other URL in case they click on the notification? I don't like that because I don't want to send traffic from my main pages to some other page like my leads page and sales page. If you want to hide the alerts on mobile, you can do that, but not necessary, of course, right? Where do you want to show the alerts on mobile? You can select over here. Then this is something which is important. Customize alert frequency. let's say delay in alert display on page load. So after how many seconds you want alerts to start showing. So in our case, we have selected 4. Duration to display single alert. So one alert should stay at least for, let's say, 4 seconds. You can customize it. You can select whatever you want. Delay between 2 alerts. Again, you can customize it. In our case, we have selected 5 seconds. Display alert when the count is equal to or greater than. So in our case, we have selected 20. Like until and unless there are minimum 20 signups, then until then don't show this particular count, simply because if they, let's suppose you have a new campaign and there are like very few people signing up for it, let's say 1 people, 2 people, 3 people, then same alerts will keep coming over and over again in front of the visitors, and it will not give a good impression. So have some records over here before it will start showing something, right? And display the records from, so you can select, like, let's say in our case we have selected only today because we have multiple people signing up on a single day. In your case you can select today, yesterday. Again, totally up to you, right? We want only the latest ones to show because we want to give an impression. Let's say somebody signed up 1 minute ago, 2 minutes ago, 5 minutes ago, 10 minutes ago. But it also depends like how much data you are having. It's okay for different types of businesses to showcase. Let's suppose somebody signed up today, somebody signed up yesterday. It's completely okay as long as you are able to show the proof, right? Then you will click on save. People can go to the published pages, and they will be able to see, like, you will be able to see on what all pages your campaign is going to be published, on what all pages your campaign is going to be visible. You can select that, you can see that, and then you're good. Your campaign is launched, that's it. And now it will start displaying on your pages from the pages you have selected. Okay.